Good morning, students. This video is for class 8th, subject English Literature. It is taken from the book It So Happened. This is our chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is How Camel Got Its Hump. It is written by none other than the famous writer Rudyard Kipling. This is my lecture number 2, and this is the homework solution of chapter number 1. We have already discussed the introduction, summary, and word meanings of the chapter 1 in the previous lecture. I assigned you homework that was to be done by you on the basis of your understanding. And the homework was read chapter 1 and based on the understanding of the chapter, write the answers of the questions mentioned in the book It So Happened As. Page number 6, comprehension check, question number 1 to 4. Page number 8, comprehension check, question number 1 to 4. So students, today we shall discuss the question answer or solution of the chapter number 1 in this video. Question number 1 is, what task do you think were assigned to the dog and the ox? The answer of the question is, the dog was assigned the task of fetching and carrying sticks, while the ox was assigned of carrying the yoke on his neck and plowing the field. Question number 2. Why did the camel live in the middle of the desert? The answer of the question is, the camel lived in the middle of the desert because it didn't want to work. It ate sticks and prickles. When anybody spoke to it, it said humph and nothing more. Question number 3. What made the dog, the horse, and the ox very angry? The answer of the question is, all the 3 animals, the dog, the horse, and the ox, were angry because the camel did not want to do any work and they had to work double time, means extra work, to make up for the work not done by the camel. Question number 4. How did the jinn know that the horse was complaining against the camel? The jinn knew that the horse was complaining against the camel because he was the in charge of all the deserts and knew everything about what was happening in his desert. Or when the horse said the camel had a long neck and long legs and lived in the middle of the howling desert, the jinn immediately knew that it was his camel. Question number 5, which is on page number 8. The camel was looking at his reflection in the pool. What does it suggest to you about the camel? The answer of the question is, it suggests that the camel was very proud of his appearance, especially his back. He was looking into water to admire himself. Question number 6. The camel said humph repeatedly. How did it affect him? It affected him as his back puffed into a big hump. Question number 7. What, according to the jinn, was the use of hump? The answer of the question is, the jinn assured the camel that his hump would always be a help to him. It would store food and enable him to work for 3 days without eating. It was the purpose of his hump. This is the end of the lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.